Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change location in TikTok shop. So the first step you need to do is to log in into your TikTok shop on laptop or on PC. Once you complete that, then you need to click on my account in left bottom menu you will find here, and then you need to click on account settings. Once you click on account, then you need to click on once you click on account, a drop down will open where you need to click on account settings. Then you need to click on warehouse settings in account settings option. In that you can change required location, from where you can easily change your location of warehouse or your inventory or your shipping method. So this is the process that you need to follow to change location in TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.